Okay, so I'm going to show you real fast how to access the keyboard to find the inequalities on your clever assignments. So this problem right here you're looking at is number 6 on your 4.4 homework. So when you click in the box, you'll notice you have your normal stuff. We want to type in y is no more than -8. So we've got these symbols here. Great, we can do that, and we've got y. Awesome. So that's good. We can finish that one. The problem is when we get to problems like, let's say, this one, number 9. I type it in, I've got no b. So what I need to do is I need to come up here to my menu. You'll notice that there's 3 different keyboards now. Basic, which is the one you're used to. This keyboard, which is like the full-on keyboard, which is where we'll have to access b. And then this one, which is our inequalities keyboard. So we're going to need to bounce back and forth between the inequalities keyboard and this keyboard. So notice we need to type in b, and then I'm going to back over to the inequalities keyboard, and notice I can type in minus 4.2 is less than, that's this symbol, like right, less than, not less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. You'll notice it also shows up right next to the menu, right here, less than. Okay, so less than -7.5. And that's how I would enter that problem in. Okay, so that was number 9 on your homework. Now I want to show you what it looks like when you graph. Okay, so this is problem number 15 here. There we go. This is problem number 15 right here. When I graph the inequality on the number line, you'll notice I can select all these different things. You'll notice what happens is if I click somewhere, it'll just make the arrow. Then I can also click another one and click again. Notice the first one did not delete. So in order to delete them, I click the delete button and I click on the things I want to delete. If I put too many things on there, it won't let me add more. So I have to delete them all. So I need less than or equal to, so I'm going to grab the one that has less than or equal to. R is the variable comes first. And we've got less than, and I click on somewhere. Oops, that's not where I meant to click. So all I have to do is click and drag. So I can click and drag. You'll have to do it with your finger, but you just click and drag to -9. Less than or equal to -9. There we go.